welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 8 of the coding series Code Every Day. I have already uploaded the videos till now. Please have a look at them. So let us quickly go to the system. Here we are back to our system. The previous day we have seen how do we use a for loop. Okay. Today we will see how do we print arrays using for loop in Java. Let me quickly create a new class. Here we'll right click on this src folder, click on new, go to the Java class and let me name this as code everyday day 8008. Here our class is ready. Following this we'll write the main method public static void main string args curly braces open. So how do we print arrays in Java? Let me show you how do we write arrays in Java. Firstly, arrays is a data structure where we can store elements of the same data type. Okay, and today we will see how do we store integer data types. Suppose int a, you start your square brackets and here I'll enter the numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a property called length. Length is a property of array. Okay, int n equals to a dot length. This length will store the size of this array, which is 5. This n will store the length of this array. And to display this, we'll use the for loop, which will start from 0. Always remember, array's index starts from 0. Its counting starts from 0. So for int I equals to 0, I will be less than n, because as the counting starts from 0, it will go to n minus 1. So we'll write it less than n and I plus plus. Okay, and we'll display this system.out.print a of I and we'll give space between them. Let me run and show you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is displayed. There is one more method I'll show. Let me comment this out. We will here declare the array first and then we will initialize the elements of the array. Okay, so int arr equals to new int. Here in the square brackets you will write the size of the array. Suppose I'll take the array size as 5. Okay, this is how you declare an array, and now we will initialize the elements. Suppose array of 0 is suppose 5. Similarly, array of 1 is 10. Array of 2 is 20. Array of 3 is as 25. I missed here. I need to write here 15. This will be as 20 and array of 4 as 25. Okay, this is how we have initialized the elements of the array, and we will print it simply system.out.print array of 0 will include space between them, array of 1, and like this we'll write up to array of 4. Here I have wrote it. Let me run and show you. See, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are displayed. This is a lengthy process. Let me show you a more precise one. Okay, let me comment this. We will use the for loop to print this. How do we do that? For, I said index will start from 0 and it will go up to array dot length and I plus plus, and we'll print here system.out.print array of I and will include a space. This is a more precise form and this is how you should print always. Okay, let me run and show you. See, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are displayed. Okay, that's all for today.